Hey, Jason the Maintenance Man here. I want to do a tool review real quick. This is it. It's called a Rapid Anchor Tool. I'll try to leave a link in the description. This thing is made for these wall anchors that a lot of people don't like to use because it tears up the wall. I used to hate them myself. Now I love them. Because what you do is let the screw out a little bit. Insert this in here. Okay. Button it up a little bit. Like, I'm using this plastic here, but if you have a hole in the drywall, you stick it in there like if this is drywall, and then you pull the trigger here. See how it clamps up? You release it, and then you can take the screw out. Of course, it's just the plastic, so it didn't grab it as good and stuff, but I love these things. I'll do one more without the plastic. It does do it with drywall or even like ceramic, like if you're hanging a shower door or something. You just have to get a pair of pliers and put this spike down on each side. It does work still. Once again, stick it in here, plunge it in the wall, and it expands way better. I love this tool. I give it 5 stars out of 5, worth buying. Thank you. If you like my video, like, and I'll put some more out.